Still in football, as title holders Mona High stayed on course to retain their Issa Walker Cup crown after booking their place in Wednesday's semi-finals. Mona outscored Hydel High 3-2 at Jerusalem to secure their spot in the last four. Former champion St. Catherine High are also through to the semi-finals after eliminating Vauxhall 5-2 at Jamaica College. Ronaldo Stewart scored twice for St. Catherine High.
First half, a brilliant first half, should have killed off the game from there. All over got 4 up, we should have got at least 6 up. But, they are youngsters and, they will make mistakes. Hence, Vauxhall get a momentum and get 2 goals. But I think the second half we managed the game properly and the skill it off by getting one more goal.
Charlie Smith High went on a goal spree as they beat Tivoli Gardens High 6-1. Orlando Grant and George Pringle were on target twice for Charlie Smith, or in Charlie Smith's route. 9-time champions Kingston College got the better of Calabar High 2-1 to set up a semi-final date with St. Catherine High. Mona will play Charlie Smith in the other semi-final.